Hello, everyone. Welcome to another review class from LAMP. Today, we shall be discussing the Renmai, or the conception vessel. Let's welcome Ma'am Trix Guevara of Sampaloc, Manila. Good afternoon, Ma'am Trix.
Good afternoon, Doc. Good afternoon, everyone.
Let's get on to it. What is the Renmai known as?
It's known as the Sea of Yin channels.
Okay, Sea of Yin. So it's very, very important for people who want to maintain the stability of the yin organs. No? What is the master confluent point of Renmai?
Long 7,
What is the coupled point of Renmai?
kidney 6,
Okay. In women, you always needle lung 7 on the right to be followed by kidney 6 on the left. For men, it will be the opposite, no? So please don't ask me why. Um, for issues concerning the especially miscarriage or fertility, if you want to improve the stability of the Renmai, you need to do both the opening and the coupled point, lung 7 and kidney 6 in that order. And upon removing the needle, you remove the the first needle last. So you remove lung 7 last. What is another name for Renmai?
conception vessel,
What points are in the Renmai, or how many points does the Renmai have?
24 points.
What areas of the body are influenced by Renmai? In other words, what are the things that you need to what are the indications of the Renmai?
Lungs, the throat, chest, diaphragm, and lower abdomen.
Okay. For women, consider the lower abdomen. For those with diaphragmatic issues, no inability to inhale effectively, you use the lung 7, kidney 6. What channels does Renmai influence? Remember, it's called the sea of blank channels.
Yeah, all the yin
Yes,
channel.
all the yin channels of the body. Okay, what is the master point of Renmai, which is also the lower connecting point of the lung? It is also called the heavenly star and the command point of the head and neck.
Long 7,
Coupled point of Renmai and the master point of Yin Chao Mai.
kidney 6,
What is a major tonification point of Yin?
Ren 4.
Okay. So if never forget the Ren 4, no? Because this is a major tonification point. What are the clinical applications of the Renmai?
It nourishes yin. It regulates the ureter and genitalia in women. It regulates life cycles, moves chi in the lower burner and uterus, promote the descending of lung chi and kidney receiving of chi, activates the triple burner, promotes fluid metabolism, urination, control fat tissue and membrane, regulate the male genitalia system.
Okay. In summary, you need to know it will nourish the yin, everything about the yin. And to activate the triple burner, you also need the Renmai. So lung 7 and kidney 6. What can Renmai assist with for nourishing the yin in women? So how is it important?
It's important as it controls the uterus and determines the 7-year cycles of women.
Okay, we presume everyone is familiar with the 7-year cycles, no? How can Renmai help with yin deficiency in menopausal women?
It helps to regulate the energy of the reproductive system, and after menopause, it nourishes blood and yin to reduce the effects of empty heat symptoms resulting from yin deficiency.
So in other words, if you want to prevent the post-menopausal symptoms, diba? You need to be able to already treat the Renmai. Okay? Kasi yin deficiency na nga. We prevent empty heat that arises from yin deficiency. What points can be used for kidney yin deficiency? This is quite common. So you may remember that when you have kidney yin deficiency, there is no more coating on the tongue, and most of the time red na rin yung tongue. And when you have kidney yin deficiency, you will also have stomach yin deficiency and lung yin deficiency. So what are the points?
The points, lung 7, kidney 6, Ren 4, or Ren 7.
Okay. What points can be used for? So when you have both kidney yin deficiency and lung yin deficiency. Okay? So lung yin deficiency, baka may TB. Just like my patient last week. Oh, he was a pilot but became
It's lung 7. May TB siya.
may TB siya. Tsaka ano, yin deficiency talaga
Oh.
itsura. Okay lang. Dahan-dahan na ako nag-mask. Okay, okay lang.
Okay. The points to be used for kidney yin deficiency with lung yin deficiency are lung 7, kidney 6, Ren 4, or Ren 7, and then add Ren 17.
So the rule here, do not forget to wear your mask, especially when you have a patient who comes in with cough and blood-streaked sputum. So when I ask about, did he already get the result of his sputum exam and chest X-ray? So he will start on the meds the next day. Okay. So lesson, pag lung yin deficiency, inuubo-ubo. Okay. Or wear mask all the time. Okay. What points
Yes.
can be used for kidney yin deficiency with heart yin deficiency?
Lung 7, again, kidney 6, Ren 4, or Ren 7, and then add Ren 15.
Okay, so actually, if you
Ren.
notice, no, sinasabay talaga natin yung opening and coupled points, no? Lung 7, kidney 6, and then the major tonification point ng yin, Ran 4 or Ran 7, di ba? And if you remember, Ran 15 is the front move of, is it the front move? Yeah, the front move of the heart. What points can be
The back.
used? Yeah. Kidney yin deficiency naman combined with liver yin deficiency. So this is especially common pag may edad na yung pasyente.
Same, lung 7, kidney 6, Ren 4, or Ren 7, and then add Ren 3.
Okay. Ren 3 kasi is very good for the bladder. It also regulates your chi and your menses. Number 18, what points can be used for kidney yin deficiency with stomach yin deficiency? Okay.
Lung 7, kidney 6, Ren 4, or Ren 7, and then add Ren 12.
Okay. What is Renmai responsible for in women?
For conception, childbirth, fertility, menstruation, menopause, puberty, and pregnancy.
What are some examples of Western diseases that Renmai can treat in women and why?
It regulates Renmai regulates the uterus as well as it influences the internal and external genitalia of women, and then it treats vaginitis, vulvitis, pain on intercourse, itching of genitals, PCOS, endometriosis, and fibroids.
Or what is the medical term for pain on intercourse? Dyspareunia. Okay?
Oh,
So, napaka-importante ng Renmai. So, lung 7 plus kidney 6 plus lung 7 and kidney 6 plus Ren 4 or Ren 7. When is Chong Mai chosen over Ren Mai for women issues? So remember, this is also very important for women. So when are you going to use Chong Mai?
It's used more for blood stasis and blood issues such as dysmenorrhea and amenorrhea.
So for blood stasis, you have to use Chong Mai or penetrating vessel. Okay. What life cycles can Ren Mai help with transition?
Puberty and transition to reproductive age, transition after childbirth, from the reproductive to menopausal age, can also be used on the cusp of seasons and life cycles, the 7 and 8 years cycle.
Okay, so I think there is really a need to memorize, no? Anong nangyayari from age 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Okay, here it goes. What are the 7 life cycle stages of women and their corresponding markings according to TCM? Let's start with 7.
7 years is for kidney energy when it's abundant. Baby teeth are replaced with permanent and hair growth.
Okay,
For
14,
14 years, it's the heaven. 14 is
menstruation.
heaven degree. Arrives, periods come regular, and she can conceive.
Yung ngayon mga
And
babae,
then
wala
21 years,
14, no? May mens na.
yes,
Okay.
maaga.
May mga hormones na kasi kinakain. 21.
No problem. 21 is for kidney essence. Uh, as it peaks, wisdom teeth arrives, and all overgrowth is at its most.
28.
28 is for tendons and bones. It becomes strong. The hair grows at its longest, and the body is strong and flourishing.
Okay,
And
35.
then 35 years is the bright young channels. It weakens. Complexion starts to wither, and hair begins to fall.
42.
And then the 3 young channels weaken. The face darkens. The hair begins to gray.
And at 49.
And then 49 years, the recting vessel is empty. The penetrating vessel is depleted. The tiangui dries up and the uterus is not open as its weakness and infertility set in.
Okay, so at 7, wala nang baby teeth. You will have permanent teeth and you have hair growth. At 14, you are supposed to have your menses already and you can already conceive. At age 21, nandyan na yung wisdom teeth, and this will be your last chance to grow. So women, you get your maximum height at age 21. 28, body is strong and flourishing, hair grows at its longest. 35, your stomach and LI begin to weaken, no? Bright young. Complexion starts to wither, falling hair. 42, the 3 young channels weaken, face darkens, hair begins to gray. Ay, wow, 42 na nga umpisa. And at 49, you start to dry up. Infertility set in. What are the 8-year sa lalaki naman? Life cycle stages of men, corresponding markings according to TCM. At 8, I think the same, no?
At 8 is the same.
Yeah. At
Yeah.
16,
16 is the heavenly Gui arrives. The sense is luxuriant and flowing, yin and yang harmonize. And he can also father a child.
Yes. At 24,
24, kidney energy peaks, tendon and bones are strong, wisdom teeth appear, growth at its peak,
yeah. Last chance to grow is
early
age 24. 32, same din sa women. For women, it's 28.
tendons and bones. Men is 32 years, the tendons and bones
At age 40,
at their strongest. 40 is kidney is weakened. Hair begins to fall out and teeth become loose.
sumasakit na yung likod, pati tuhod. 48, ay, umiitim na ang face.
48, Yang Qi is exhausted. Hair turns gray. Face darkens.
Okay, 56.
56 is liver energy is weakened. Tendons cannot move. That Yang Gui is dried up. Kidney becomes weak and body begins to grow old.
And at age 64,
Hair and teeth are gone.
okay.
But not all.
Yeah, oo, dapat hindi all.
Okay.
Let's prevent it. Anticipate it.
Not all.
When Renmai moves the chi in the lower burner and uterus, what can result?
It can be used for abdominal masses, especially those derived from chi stagnation rather than those from blood stasis. For
What-
men, it's used for hernial and genitourinary disorder.
Okay. So for blood stasis, we use the chong. No? What is G?
G is abdominal masses that are fixed and due to blood stasis.
What is Ju?
G is abdominal masses that are movable and due to chi stagnation.
Which do you prefer, G or Ju?
None.
Ju. Kasi, di ba?
None of the above.
None.
Hindi, kung meron talaga, ito na, Ju. Kasi movable pa. When is Renma used
Yung Jew,
abdominal masses?
less.
Okay.
When the Jew are movable and due to chi stagnation.
So effective pa.
They
What
are
are abdominal masses called in women?
Zhengja or G refers to actual masses of blood stasis. Or Ju refers to masses that come and go due to chi stagnation.
What points can be used to move the chi and resolve stagnation in lower burner for abdominal masses from chi stagnation, yung mga Ju?
Lung 7, kidney 6, ren 6.
Okay, andyan pa rin, no?
Yeah,
Diba?
those.
Always remember, lung 7, you see powerful mover of chi ito, which moves the blood, downward flow ng chi. Kidney 6, nourishing the upward flow of the chi. Ren 6, powerful mover of the chi wheel, the sea of chi. How does Renmai treat the middle and upper burners?
It treats by stimulating the descent of lung chi and the kidney receiving of chi. Can be used to treat chronic asthma and allergic asthma.
Okay, lung 7, kidney 6. What points can be used to treat chronic asthma?
Lung 7, kidney 6, ren 17.
Very good. What points can be used to treat allergic asthma?
Lung 7, kidney 6, ren 17, bladder 13, and bladder 23 per kidney.
If you want to strengthen the immune system, what will you add? the bladder 20, no? If you want to influence the Wei Qi. What is the function of the triple burner?
It produces fluids that is closely dependent on its function of controlling the transportation and penetration of qi, transformation, transportation, and excretion of fluids.
So we use the Renmai to activate the triple burner. What are the fluids produced by the lower burner?
Urine and small amounts of fluid in the stool.
What is the function of the lower burner?
The separation of essences cleans and separates the dirty parts.
Okay. What organs are affected by the lower burner? Yung nakikita natin sa likod ng sa posterior third.
Liver, kidneys, bladder, and intestines.
Yeah, the small and large intestines. What is another name for the lower burner?
The drainage ditch.
Middle burner. What fluids are produced by the middle burner?
The produced by the stomach to moisten the body and integrate blood.
Okay. What is the function of the middle burner?
For digestion and transportation, for the ripening and rotting and nourishment.
What organs are affected by the middle burner?
The spleen, stomach, and the gallbladder.
What is another name for the middle burner?
The cauldron or maceration chamber.
Bubbling cauldron or maceration chamber. What are the fluids produced by the upper burner?
Sweat.
What is the function of upper burner?
Controls the intake of food, fluids, and air.
What organs are affected by the upper burner?
The heart, the liver, the pericardium, throat, and head.
What is another name for the upper burner?
It's called the mist.
Where are the acupoints for the triple burner located?
The Renmai meridian.
Why would the Renmai be used to treat edema and urinary problems?
It's important for the correction and distribution of fluids in the abdomen.
From a TCM perspective, what is edema usually caused by?
The lung not diffusing and descending qi, or due to spleen or kidney yang not moving and transforming fluids.
Okay. What points can be used to treat edema and urinary problems?
Lung 7 and kidney 6.
What points on the Renmai can activate transformation of fluids by the lung, spleen, kidney in the triple burner?
Ren 9.
What points on the Renmai can activate lower burner of the triple burner?
Ren 5.
What points on the Renmai can activate the middle burner?
Ren 12.
What points can activate the upper burner?
Ren 17.
What pattern is Renmai used for in women that have urinary problems?
For the stagnation in the lower burner or qi sinking.
What are signs and symptoms of qi stagnation regarding urinary problems?
The frequency and difficulty in urination, feeling of distension in the hypogastrium, slight ache before urination.
What points can be used to affect urination? Or for those who have difficulty?
Lung 7, kidney 6, and REN 3.
Okay, sino si REN3? The front mu
REN 3.
of the bladder. What point can be added to the urination formula? Di ba nasanay na tayo? Lung 7, kidney 6, and CV3 if you have chi sinking.
Chi sinking, governing vessel 2. 20, sorry.
What point can be added to the urination formula? Lung 7, kidney 6, and CV3 for chi stagnation.
GV 26.
What is cow?
It's a fat adipose tissue.
What is Huang?
Huang is the membranes or connective tissues,
Okay.
including fascia and bifacia.
Kasama na dyan yung omentum, no? Mesentery, omentum, and the stroma.
And stroma.
Yes. What is the function of cow Huang and where is it located?
It covers the whole body with a layer that is immediately below the skin and an inner layer that anchors and wraps the organs, muscles, and bones.
What are the three functions of cow Huang?
To anchor the organs, to wrap the organs, and to connect the organs among themselves.
What is the source point for gao or fat tissue?
REN 15.
What is the source point for Huang?
REN 6.
So REN 15, REN 6, importante. When chi stagnates on the membranes in the abdomen causing distension and pain, what points can we use?
Lung 7, kidney 6, and REN 6.
Wow. How does RENMI regulate the penis?
REN meridian flows down the front of the body over the external genitalia, the testicles, and penis. It also represents the influence of kidney yin in the external male genitalia. Can also be used to treat problems of the male genitalia occurring against a background of kidney yin deficiency.
Okay, very good. How does RENMI regulate the prostate o yung mga may prostate problems?
Prostate is equivalent to the uterus in women, which is linked to the RENMI. Do and REN influence the prostate and production of seminal fluid. Sperm is a form of essence and is part of the yin essences.
Okay. Usually, pag meron kang kidney yin deficiency and RENMI deficiency, reduce yung sperm count. Okay? So do something about the REN. What points can be used to treat reduced sperm count? Nako, ito. Maraming pasyenteng ganyan sa sa Bacolod. Ay, sorry.
Specific. Lung 7, kidney 6, REN 4, and kidney 13.
Okay, of course, hindi yan bigla tataas ha. It takes a while. Lung 7, kidney 6, REN 4, kidney 13. Abstinence muna. Now you know. Huwag mo kalimutan si lung 7 and kidney 6. What is the orifice related to RENMI?
The mouth.
How does the RENMI influence the mouth?
It flows around the mouth and influences the teeth, gums, and lips.
Okay. What does dry lips indicate? The RENMI.
Deficiency and dryness of the RENMI and of the blood.
So for dry lips, you know what to do. What do red lips indicate, RENMI? Pag, yung may mga ano, hindi na nagli-lipstick, red na yung lips.
Nakakaingit. in the Renmai.
Okay. What to purple? Okay, purple lips naman. How is it related sa Renmai?
Blood stasis in
Pero
the
di ba may
Renmai.
mga lipstick na ngayon na purple?
Yes, I always use
Okay,
purple lips.
purple lipstick. Okay. What does the pale area surrounding the lips indicate with Renmai? Pale area surrounding the lips.
Deficiency of the Renmai.
So next time when you are on a medical mission, you try to look at the lips. What does each area surrounding the lips indicate?
Chi stagnation of the Renmai.
And you know what to do, right? What is the psychological aspect of Renmai? Ano pang dami pa lang ng Renmai, no?
Renmai. The power of belonging infuses us with self-love and ensures we have the resources we need to make our own way in the world.
Okay.
Wow.
So if your Renmai is intact, then you don't need lung 7 and kidneys. What can cause imbalance? Yeah. Okay, imbalance sa Renmai that relates to psychology. Now, this is, okay, ano kayo ha? Attend kayo ng November 28. Maganda yung lecture. Depression and anxiety. Magbayad kayo ng advance.
Or
Okay. You will not regret it. 1 to 4 po yon. 1 p.m. to 4. That will be next Saturday. Next Saturday. And as a bonus, meron tayong free lecture for those who will attend, as long as you pay ahead. Joke. Okay. What can cause imbalance in the Renmai? Alam nyo, wag niyong ismulin, ang dami yatang nadidepress ngayon, lalo na pag nalaman mo marami kang
yes.
Yes.
Insufficient bonding or not feeling worthy, insufficient self-care, insufficient nourishment or eating disorders, inability to create closure, chi stagnation, addiction rises from the inability to bond.
Oh, you see, pag may addiction ng isang tao, look at Renmai, baka hindi siya nagbibilong, no? Yun. Now I remember my patient. Okay. What are the functional domains of the Renmai?
It's a sea of yin meridians, binds together the yin meridians, especially the low back, controls the anterior chest and abdomen. It also stores essential chi that spills from yin meridians, absorbs yin meridian repletion, especially stagnation of chi and the bladder. Upper branch supplies face and eyes, closely connected to the function of the abdominal organs, especially the kidney, the bladder, uterus, and lungs.
Okay. Dami, no? Hindi natin akalain ganun kadami pala. Okay. What symptoms would we select Renmai for treatment? Or when do you consider using Renmai for treatment?
Those focused on the lower abdomen, excess stagnation, especially yin substances, excess of yin pathogenic activity, deficiency of yin organs, deficiency of yin substances, lung symptoms in general, gynecological conditions, or general illness in women.
Yeah. So probably you consider asking yung kanina, do they feel na kulang sila ng bonding? Yung mga ganun, no? Self-feeling of, parang parang wala kang self-worth. O, diba? Okay, what is Renmai used for? Paulit-ulit lang yung question.
Any type of yin disorder, gynecological disorders in women, yin organs, channels, and functions.
Okay. How does lung 7 as a luo connect with Renmai?
Lungs is the internal pathway. It originates at Ren 12 and down through lung 1 and then goes up through to penetrate the lungs, continuing up to the throat and passing oblique where the channel emerges at lung 1. Then long 7, flow of chi goes through the long meridian. It's also a shared pathway that connects through the Luo channel with Renman.
Okay, so if you remember, nag-uumpisa po ang lung channel sa middle jaw, di ba? Kaya REN 12. What is the difference between yin deficiency and empty heat? Ay nako, basic, di ba? Sige, go.
For yin deficiency, uh, it has yin deficiency symptoms, rapid floating pulse, sweats, dry tongue, dry stool or constipation, and then insomnia. Also has a pattern, can present on its own. And then the empty heat has yin deficiency symptoms, but with more heat or intensity. Well, and then the tongue would be red. Uh, there would be night sweats, malar flush, 5, palm heat, anxiety, greater degree of insomnia. The pattern cannot present on its own and must be accompanied by yin deficiency. The precursors include overwork, emotional anger, and frustration.
So bawal mag-overwork, ah. What do lung yin deficiency signs look like compared with lung yin deficiency with empty heat? Or how do you differentiate lung yin deficiency from empty heat arising from lung yin deficiency?
With lung yin deficiency symptoms, they dry throat, dry cough, dislike of speaking, night sweats, and dry skin. While with empty heat, it's anxiety, 5, palm heat, hot flashes.
Okay. Yung mga may anxiety dyan, ha, attend po kayo sa November, June 28, 1 to 4 p.m.
Next.
You can also attend face-to-face, mas maganda, sa Paay Clinic. Number 85. What do heart yin deficiency signs look like compared with heart yin deficiency with empty heat?
For heart yin deficiency, there would be palpitations for memory, mental restlessness, and then with empty heat, there would be thirst with small sips.
Okay. Empty heat na pala yun, no? Thirsty niya, small sips lang. What about liver yin deficiency compared to liver yin deficiency with empty heat? Anong pagkakaiba?
For liver yin deficiency, there would be blurred vision, numbness and tingling in limbs, weakness of muscles, and then with empty heat, it's aimlessness, depression. If severe, there's heavy menstrual bleeding or scanty bleeding.
Okay. Depression, no? Empty heat na. How does stomach yin deficiency signs compare with stomach yin deficiency with empty heat?
With stomach yin deficiency, there's hunger with no desire to eat, constipation, dull or burning epigastric pain, fullness after eating. And then with empty heat, there's thirst with desire to drink in small sips.
Okay. Meeting point of the conception, penetrating, and governing vessels, and the Sun Si Miao ghost point. This is used in the conception vessel, governing vessel block treatment. What is the point? Favorite point ni Sir Joe Bell.
Oh, Ren 1.
Okay. Move point of the bladder and meeting point of conception vessel with spleen, liver, kidney channels.
Ren 3.
Move point of the small intestine, meeting point of conception vessel with spleen, liver, kidney channels.
Ren 4.
Move point of Sanjiao.
Ren 5.
Considered to be the point where the lower dantian is located. Considered the Sea of Qi naman to, Sea of Qi.
Ren 6.
Okay. Move point or, front move point of the stomach. Hui meeting point of the Fu. Meeting point of conception vessel with SI Sanjiao stomach channels.
Ren 12.
Yeah, daming nagagawa ng Ren 12, ha?
Yes. It's also good for stomach crack.
Yes, of course. Mu point of the heart.
REM 14.
Ay, mali pala tayo kanina. Ren 15 iba. Sorry ha. Ren 14.
Mhm.
Other 15 is back shoe of the heart.
Wait.
14, front mo of the heart. So what is Ren 15? Sige, mamaya.
Luo.
Luo connecting point of the
REM
Ren,
15.
Ren 15. Mu point of the pericardium, Wei meeting point of the chi, point of C of chi, meeting point conception vessel with spleen, kidney, SI, and Sanjiao channels.
REM 17.
Meeting point of conception and yin linking vessels, point of the window of heaven.
REM 22.
Meeting point of conception vessel with governing vessel and LI and stomach channels. Sun Si Miao Ghost Point ito, used in the CVGV block treatment.
REM 24.
Okay. Points that tonify and nourish the body.
REM 4 and 6.
Okay, no, don't forget to use these points. Rescues the young and restores consciousness in case of yang collapse.
REM 8.
Wow, congratulations, Mom Trix. Thank you everyone for joining.
Thanks, Doc.
See you next time.